So today I'm going to be doing the reflection question for September 28th through October the 2nd. The reflection question is a free response. So what I'm going to be talking about is the pros and the cons and what I struggled in and what I did not struggle in during this research process. So one big struggle that I found was because since my topic is about how gender affects visual spatial memory amongst teens, I have to figure out, like, if I conduct a experiment, I do an investigation and I hand out different papers to see, like surveys and all that, and I noticed that males have a better visual spatial memory. Well, I want to be able to say why is that. So what I'm trying to figure out is there something that's different in their brains that women don't necessarily have or haven't exercised to its full extent. So that has become difficult because I haven't been able to find much information about it, but I still need to research a lot. I think I might just research what is in the women's brain type thing, like what structures, what things that's going on in our brain that's different from the male's brain. So I've also found really good videos on TED Talk about memory, and there was one certain video, I forgot what it was called, but it was a TED Talk by this guy, and he explained basically this church or the okay, so basically this man came into a place, and this was back in ancient Greece. So he came into this type of place and he basically recited a poem all with his memory. After he left, basically the whole building just got destroyed. Everything fell apart. No body could be found. So that happened, and nobody really knew whose body was whose because, again, it was everywhere. But then this certain guy did know whose body was with who, because he could visualize in his head who was positioned where. And this goes exactly with my visual spatial memory because it depends on spatial arrangement. So he knew where each person was standing. So that is going to be a very good detail to use for my historical lens. So that is really good. And that concludes my free response.